Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share your drive in Waze and invite friends to track your journey in real time. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to create a route or drive in Waze. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and tap on it, and from there you can either search for a specific location you want to navigate to, or you can choose one of your recent destinations if that's easier. This search bar is your starting point for any navigation in Waze, so it's where everything begins. Once you've selected your destination, you'll see an option that says Go Now. Tap on it to start your navigation. This tells Waze you're ready to begin your drive, and the app will start calculating your route and providing real-time directions. At this point, your route is active and ready to be shared with others. Now take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a menu bar there. Drag this menu upwards to reveal more options. This action opens up additional features related to your current drive, giving you access to sharing tools and other useful settings. It's a simple swipe up gesture that unlocks all the sharing capabilities you need. Within this expanded menu, you'll see an option labeled Share Drive. Go ahead and click on it. This is the core feature that allows you to let friends or family track your location and estimated arrival time in real time. It's incredibly useful when you want someone to know when you'll arrive or if you're coordinating meetups. At this point, Waze will show you several sharing options. You can share your drive directly through WhatsApp if you prefer, which sends the link straight to your contacts. However, for this example, let's click on More Options. This gives you a broader range of ways to share your drive beyond just WhatsApp, so you have more flexibility depending on how you want to communicate. Once you're in the More Options menu, you'll see a button that says Copy. Click on it to copy the drive link to your clipboard. This is perfect if you want to paste the link into a text message, email, or any other messaging platform manually. It gives you complete control over where and how you send your drive information. Alternatively, you can click on Quick Share. This feature is designed to speed up the sharing process by giving you instant access to the most commonly used apps on your device. It's a faster way to send your drive without having to navigate through multiple menus. When you select Quick Share, Waze will display a list of different applications where you can send your drive information. This might include apps like Messenger, Telegram, Gmail, or any other communication apps installed on your phone. Simply click on any of these applications and the drive link will be automatically shared through that platform. It's that straightforward and convenient. And that's it. You've now successfully shared your Waze drive with others, allowing them to track your journey and see your estimated arrival time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.